Christy Cruz. I'm an Afro-Latina beauty enthusiast, and I'm here today serving you this feminine, everyday nude look. If you like this look and you want to see how I got it, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you stay up on everything Effortless Elegance is doing. For primer today, we're going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish. I love this primer because it's so lightweight you can't even feel like there's anything on your skin. We're going to put this all over our face. This is going to help to smooth any blemishes we have, fine lines. I did my brows off camera, and total disclaimer on my brows, guys. So I originally started off with more brows than any human really needed, and then I went really thin and high arched for a few years, and now I want a fuller look on my brow. And so they're on a journey right now of growing in, so I have a thicker, fuller brow look, and one of them are further along in their journey than the other. So I do them off camera lately, but if you want to see how I fill my brows in, then just put it in the comments below, and then maybe we can just go on this journey together. We're going to prime our brows with our Tarte concealer and light medium sand. We'll put a few dots on and then just blend it in with the warmth of our finger. This will give our eyeshadow a good base. We're going to be Morphe babes today, and we're going to go in with our Morphe 3B palette in pure nude. So we're going to go in first with our Morphe M330 brush. We're going to go right into this light shade Velvet. Now these shades are intensely pigmented and they have a creamy matte finish. So we're going to go in and we're going to wash this all over our lids. We want to blend this color out till it's nice and soft around the edges. Next, we're going to go into the next shade. It's called Kinda Natural. And I switched my brush up to a smaller blending brush by Morphe so I can put this in a more concentrated space. And we're going to work this one on the outer V and in our crease. I want to work this into our crease in a C-shaped motion, almost like windshield wipers, and then circulars on the edge. Remember, when doing your eye makeup, always use a very gentle hand. Hold your brush towards the tip so that your hand has less control on the brush part of it. Now we're going to go in with that same fluffy brush we were using. We're going to go into the darkest shade called Deep Hue. And this one we're going to concentrate just on the outer corners. We're going to pull it halfway into our crease. We want to use this color Deep Hue to slightly intensify the look that we have going on, kind of smoke it out. Now we're going to go in with our Morphe 505 and we're going to blend out all of the edges. We don't want any harsh edges with any of these colors. And take your time when blending, guys. Masterpieces take time. Now that we are softly blended, we're going to go on with our Laura Geller. It is a multitasking eye, lip, and cheek palette. And we're going to go right into this gold color. And it's called Gold Dust. And we're going to go on with this flat brush. And we are going to put it right on the inner corner, just the inner third on our eyelid. This is a very creamy palette. Now that we've added that little pop of gold in the corner of our eye, we're going to go back in with that M330 Morphe brush. And we're not going to add any more product on it, but we're going to blend those two together so that it looks seamless. Next, we're going to go in with our Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Eye Pencil in Jet Black. And we're going to pop this right on our waterline. Now we're going to go back in to our Morphe palette, and we're going to go in with the Morphe M213. It is a very small brush, very thin. It's a flat brush. And we are going to go do our lower lash line. So we're going to go back in the same order we went in. We're going to go into Velvet and go right along our lower lash line, right tight to the line. Kind of natural. This darker deep hue color, we're going to focus just on the outer V of our eye. Next, we're going to go in with this Morphe Detailed Crease Brush, and we're going to softly blend out those colors. For liner, we're going to go in with our NYX Waterproof Epic Pink Liner. And this is in black. We're just going to give ourselves a subtle ring. For lashes today, we're going to stick with something that looks more natural for our face. And we're going to go in with the Kiss Blooming Lash in Lilly. I'm going to put these on off camera and I'll be right back. We have our lashes on. These look more natural. There's no drama in these. They're very pretty. And the lash band on these are so thin, it almost just disappears when you put it on. So we have our lashes on. For foundation today, we're going to get into our Too Faced Born This Way. And we're going to get into light beige. We're going to get some on the back of our hand. Going with our Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And all over our face. Remember to stay away from that lower lash line and blend gently. Don't forget to blend down your neck to tie your face and your neck together. With our concealer, we're going to go in with our Tarte Double Duty in light medium sand. We're going to go under our eyes, our chin, right down the bridge of our nose, our forehead, anywhere where we want to have a bit more brightening. I'm gonna go in with a tiny beauty blender under my eye. This tiny beauty blender will help to stay away from our lower lash line. For our contour, we're gonna go in with our Maybelline Dream Illuminator in Deep. This is very creamy. We're gonna put it along our cheekbones, face, forehead. Jawline. And we're gonna go right down the bridge of our nose and contour that. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a huge bump on my nose from when I was in high school. I played softball, got hit right in the face. So whenever I contour, I try to be real conscious of the area. I want to blend this area out. After we blended our cream contour out, I chose a cream contour that was a little light, but I like to go over my cream with powders. So we're gonna go in with our Hoola Benefit bronzer, and we are going to go right over the same areas that we just put our contour on. This is gonna warm our face up a little bit and give us a little bit more color. To bake and set our face today, we're gonna go in with the I Heart Revolution Scented Baking Powder in Banana. For our under eye, we're gonna go in with the clean part of our beauty blender and just press the powder into our face. We're gonna go down the bridge of our nose. You know what is the best? When you can put some music on, you can vibe to, and then just beat your face to the gods uninterrupted. There's something very therapeutic about that. When we're done baking, we're just going to take a big fluffy brush. This is our Real Techniques 227, and we are just gonna brush any excess powder from our face. For our highlighter today, we're gonna go in with one of my favorite brands. It is Juvia's Place. And we're gonna go in with the color Heroin. We're just gonna brush it on our cheeks. And we're using a Morphe M310 brush. Their highlighters are so pigmented. We're also gonna go in with our Morphe Detailed Crease Brush, and we're gonna put this right on our brow bone. I'm also going to pop this right in the corner of my eyes, right in the inner view. We're also going to put this right on the tip of our nose and up the bridge of our nose. And just a little on our Cupid's bow. To tie this look together, we're going to give ourselves some pinky lips. And the liner we're going to use today is by NYX, and that is an Ever to Yours. We're going to line our lips with this. My camera didn't capture the application of the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. Our lips are on and we'll be right back with the final look. This is the final look of an everyday look for me. And even with an everyday look, I like to add just a touch of elegance. If you like this fun, elegant look, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you stay up on everything Effortless Elegance is doing. Be a queen that fixes another queen's crown. And every time you step up that ladder, reach down and bring the next one up with you. Bye.